Finally, a little bit of rain. I mean, we saw a week and a half of 90s, very humid weather. It was hot, it was dry, and now we're seeing the change starting to move in. And that does include rain across the metro area, Gwinnett County, portions of Cobb County, inside the perimeter in Atlanta, Fulton County, and moving down towards the Conyers area. But where we're seeing the heaviest rain right now is stretching from southern Bartow County across 575 and into northern portions of Cobb County. And that even extends down into the Atlanta area, where we're starting to see the shower activity pick up just a little bit. Most of these pockets of rain and heavy rain at times don't have any lightning with them, but they do have gusty winds up to about 35-40 miles per hour. This will continue for the next couple of hours, at least until the sun goes down, and then we'll start to see this activity start to taper off just a little bit. But this is all stemming from a cold front that's just off to our northwest. It's going to move through over the next few hours into Monday. That'll bring us even more changes in Georgia with some cooler weather and much drier air, but we will dry out once again once that cold front passes through. Once the sun goes down again, the activity will stop here across Georgia as far as the rain goes. Waking up tomorrow morning incredibly mild and 80s tomorrow afternoon. For the first time in 12 days in Atlanta, we're going to see the 80s for our highs, and you'll notice the much drier air in the afternoon, where our dew points are in the 60s right now, and that makes it feel a little bit more sticky, more humid outside. Tomorrow they're going to be in the 40s, and we don't see that too often in June. Enjoy it. It'll feel a lot different tomorrow afternoon than what we're seeing outside today. Here's a live view of our CBS 46 pinpoint camera network at the airport, and you can barely see downtown right now because of the rain that's starting to move inside the perimeter. Tonight, we will be dry once again, 68 degrees, mostly clear, very comfortable when you step out the door tomorrow morning as that dry air continues to move in. 68 tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning, already in the 80s by the lunchtime hour, and then we'll be close to 90, but we're not going to make it there in Atlanta. 91 in Athens, though, 92 in LaGrange, 87 in Carrollton, and 80 in Ellijay. We are going to stay dry for Monday and Tuesday, but then the rain chances start to pick back up Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we fall back into a more typical summer-like pattern with pop-up showers, thunderstorms in the afternoon. Not everybody will see one, but as we look towards next weekend, this is not good if you have some outside plans, but if you really need the rain, we're going to see a better chance for more organized thunderstorms and widespread rain for next weekend. Temperatures will slide downwards once we get that pattern to move in, and by next weekend only in the mid-80s, which is a huge change from the long stretch of 90s that we've seen for the past 12 days.